So this is sequence and series question, and in this question we have a sequence where we can see a circle with dots and then the lines that join them, and we had to do the third pattern, which we did, and then we had to complete the table, and we understand that this sequence is about number of dots or number of line segments, so two aspects. Now, in this part of the question, we have that the formula for the number of line segments. So now we are looking at line segments in terms of n is of the form. So they are very good. They give us a formula for what? How many line segments do we have in any pattern we want? That's what it means. Therefore, we have to find the value of b. So how do I do that? I have loads of letters here, isn't it? Tn, and then I have another letter n here. So I need to know what that n and tn represent in the context of this question. B is what I'm looking for, so that will be my letter. So what is that formula for? The number of line segments. So let's say if I have one line segments, so that's what I'm going to have here. The number of line segment, 1. Okay, what does this n means? What does it represent? It means, well, in which pattern? So 1 line segment I have in which pattern? In the first pattern. Or I could go for 3 line segments. In what pattern? Second pattern. Or for any of those two will be good. And here, simple enough, I just have to replace it. Now I'm going for 1, 2, and 1 because are the easiest numbers. So that means the total number of line segment is what? 1 equal 0.5 multiply. Which pattern is it? The first. So 1 to the power of 2 plus b as well multiplied by 1. So what do we have here? Where are we going? B has to be on its own. So I have 1 equal 0.5 multiplied by 1 to the power of 2. If we put that in the calculator, we got 0.5 plus, and then b multiplied by 1. What's that? B, exactly. So I want b, not b plus a number. What do I do with this number? I take it to the other side. And then what do I do? Change the sign. So from positive 0.5, it becomes negative 0.5. I put that in the calculator, press equal, and I get is 0.5. That is the value of b here. The difficult part, again, when it comes to sequence and series, is to understand what in the context of the particular question the letters mean. That's the difficult part here.